This is video of class 7 computer for DAV students. Chapter 7 Basics of Internet. After the completion of this chapter, learners will be able to appreciate the role of World Wide Web, understand the concept of web servers and its uses, learn the concept of web browser and blogs. This is not a new thing. You are knowing too much about Internet. Introduction. Internet is a type of network in which millions of computers all over the world are connected with each other, forming a network in which any computer can communicate with any other computer as long as they are both connected to the Internet. You are knowing too much about this thing. Now let us share our book with the friend who is across the room. Through the book we are sharing information in the book. Similarly, on the internet, we share the information available in various websites. To access these websites, we use World Wide Web. What is the full form of WWW? World Wide Web. WWW stands for World Wide Web. WWW is a collection of different types of documents formatted in a special type of markup language called HTML. These web documents can either be graphics file, video file, audio file, or links to the other documents. These web documents are called web pages. In order to access these web documents, we need a web browser. Now, do you know network, a collection of interconnected computers which are allowed to share hardware and software resources? HTML. What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext markup language. It is a language used to create documents on World Wide Web. Activity. You may pause the video and you are able to write. I hope you will pause the video and you are able to write. Web browser. Next thing we want to discuss, a client computer has a web browser that connects us to the web server. Web browser acts as an interface between the web server and the World Wide Web, that is WWW. A web browser performs following two tasks. There are two tasks by web browser. It connects to the web server and sends a request for the information. It displays this information on the user's computer. Google, Opera, Internet Explorer, Safari, you know about all these things. Website. Next thing, website. Website is a collection of related web pages. Website is a collection of related web pages. A website can contain any number of web pages depending upon the requirement and design of the website. Websites are designed by professionals who know the programming language to create the website, and they are called website developers. A web page is a document that opens on the World Wide Web. This document can be text along with images. A website contains home page and other additional pages. Even a website is owned by an individual, company, or an organization. There is no problem. Home page, it is the text. It is the first page of a website. What is home page? It is the first page of a home site. It shows the links to other documents stored in that website. Hyperlinks. Now next thing, the links that allows the users to click and allows them to jump from one page to another. Hyperlink from one page to another. If you want to jump, this hyperlinks will help them. The websites may be categorized depending on their use or the purpose for creating them. They are categorized in following category. These are so simple thing. If you read only, you can understand all the things. Information website. It is like an online encyclopedia. Here example. Search engine websites. These websites through the internet search as documents and files for keywords and returns the result of files containing those keywords. Company owned website. It provides information about the company, its products, catalog, etc. Educational websites. These websites are owned by educational institutions. E-commerce websites, mainly commerce. These websites are used to sell products online. Blogging websites. It is also called weblogs. These websites are like online diaries where people write their own experience or views about some news, policies, etc. Types of web page. Static web page, dynamic web page. Static means a web page in which all the information is presented to the users exactly as it is stored. Dynamic, the first language by which people started to create a static web page was hypertext markup language. Dynamic web page is that kind of page which each time may show different content and information to its viewer whenever visited by the user. The content of dynamic page keeps changing from time to time. It randomly changes according to time accessing and interaction by the users. You may pause the video and you are able to write any question answer. I hope you are able to write. Now next thing, URL. Every website is accessed by its own internet address called a web address or URL. URL refers to a file on some machine on the network. URL has two parts. Protocol identifier. It specifies the name of the protocol that is used to fetch the resource name. It specifies the complete address to the resource and on internet. HTTP. Now next thing, hypertext markup language. There are a set of rules for transferring files, text, graphic, image, sound, video and other multimedia files on the World Wide Web. HTTP, hypertext markup language. Now question answer. You may pause the video and you are able to write question answer. Blogs. A blog is a discussion or information site published on World Wide Web. It consists of various posts placed in reverse chronological order. The recent of latest posts appear on the top. The blog can contain text, photos, videos, music and audio. It is made or created by individuals to share ideas, thoughts, his or her daily experience with other people. Now difference blog and writing a daily diary. The people who maintain a daily diary did not share their thoughts and personal experience with the public. A blog is like an online diary. What is this? A blog is like an online diary that is created by an individual to share thoughts and ideas with the general public. If you are using Facebook, you know about blog diary. The following screen shows blog of one of the famous personality you are seeing. Features of blog. A blog is organized in reverse chronological order, that is recent or latest posts appear on the top. A blog is public, that is everyone can see it. A particular blog entry is written by only one person. A blog also includes date and time a particular post was posted. We can reply or comment on a particular blog post. Types of blogs. The blogs can be classified in following types. Personal blog, corporate blog. It means the blogs that are created by a company or for marketing and branding of their products. Media blog, you know about media blog, photo blog, link log, bloggability. A blog of the celebrity or famous personality is called bloggability. Social networking website. It is a platform where people share social relations with their friends, family, people who share similar personal and career interest activities. It is Flickr, Facebook, Twitter. You know about all these things. Now next thing, features of social networking sites. It helps us to be in touch with our family, friends and colleagues. We can also share our experiences. We can share our interests and hobbies with others. We can also play games and share our scores with other people. Companies can use these sites to market their new products available in the market. Now next important thing, this is my humble suggestion to my humble viewer. Subscribe my channel SK Singh Vikramganj. Thank you. Have a nice day.